Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Moonboard app. First, download the official Moonboard app from your device's app store. Once installed, create a free user account or simply log in if you already have one. Next, ensure your device's Bluetooth is on and connect to a nearby Moonboard LED system. This initial setup is quick, getting you ready to climb in just a few moments. Now that you're connected, let's find some climbs. Navigate to the Problems tab, where you'll discover a huge database of routes. You can easily filter these problems by grade, the setter, the specific hold setup, or even by using various tags. Don't forget to save your favorite problems to your personal tick list so you can easily find them again later. After a successful climb, it's time to log your ascent. This helps you track your progress over time and see how you're improving. You can also rate problems and add helpful comments for the wider Moonboard community. For those looking to improve specific areas, explore the training section, which offers structured workout routines designed to enhance your strength and technique. The Moonboard app is also a vibrant community. Share your climbing achievements and connect with other climbers from around the world. Dive into the advanced settings to customize your board configurations, ensuring the perfect setup for your training. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to unwind after a tough session, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.